In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Mailbox Cleanup tool in Outlook. If your Outlook mailbox is starting to feel crowded, or you've noticed that your account storage is getting a little too full, the Mailbox Cleanup tool can help you quickly understand what's taking up space and identify older items you may want to remove. This is a useful feature for keeping your mailbox organized and making sure you stay within any storage limits set by your email account. To get started, open Outlook on your computer and make sure you're on the main screen. Once Outlook is open, go to the top left corner and click File. This will take you to the Account and Settings area, where you can access several tools related to your mailbox. From there, look for your Mailbox Settings section. In that area, click Tools and then choose Mailbox Cleanup. This opens the Mailbox Cleanup window, which gives you a few options for reviewing the size of your mailbox and locating messages that may be using unnecessary space. One of the first things you can do here is click View Mailbox Size. This allows you to see the size of your mailbox and gives you a better idea of how much storage is currently being used. If you're trying to reduce space, this is a helpful place to start because it gives you a quick overview before you begin deleting anything. You can use this information to decide whether you need a small cleanup or a more thorough one. You can also use the Cleanup tool to find older items in your mailbox. In the same window, simply select the number of days you want Outlook to search by, and then click Find. Outlook will show you items that match that age range, which can help you locate older emails, calendar items, or other content that may no longer be needed. Once those items appear, you can review them carefully and decide what you want to clean up. It's always a good idea to double-check before removing anything, especially if you're working in a mailbox that contains important records or reference emails. Taking a moment to review what you find can help prevent accidental deletion. And that's how to use the Mailbox Cleanup tool in Outlook. It's a simple but effective way to check your mailbox size, locate older items, and keep your Outlook account easier to manage over time.